Did you know that zebras have unique stripes just like human fingerprints? No two zebras have the same stripe pattern, making them truly one of a kind. Zebras are also incredible runners, able to reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour. They use their stripes as a camouflage to blend in with the tall grass and keep cool in the hot African sun. And here's a fun fact for you. Zebras have a unique way of communicating with each other through their stripes. They can recognize each other by their stripe patterns, just like we recognize our friends by their faces. So, there you have it, folks. Zebras are not only beautiful, but also incredibly intelligent and adaptable.